Hello, good morning teachers. Today we will learn the demonstrations of learning management system for online or live teaching classes. Before starting the online class, we have to take some precautions. First is always use tab or laptop or desktop computer to take online class. Second thing, RAM should be at least 4 GB. Next is internet data pack should be available at least 1.5 GB before joining online class. Then connectivity. Internet connection speed should be more than 4 Mbps and it should be stable. Use of internet should be preferably through wired connection or USB tethering. Do not use a direct hotspot, Wi-Fi or hotspot. Use always USB tethering or wired connection. Then do not open multiple browser tabs or any other application at the time of online class. Then how to start or join online class using learning management system. Step number 1. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome web browser. Then type URL shivajinagpur.ssesa.live in address bar and press enter button. After pressing enter button, the home page of shivajinagpur.ssesa.live will appear. Then click on login button. Then two text boxes will be appear. First is username. First text box is for username and second one for password. Your username must be first name plus middle name plus last name in small letters without space. For example, your first name is Ram, middle name is Raj, and last name is Deshmukh. Then your username should be Ram Raj Deshmukh. Then second box is used for password. First time your password is password. A is replaced by @ symbol and O is replaced by 0. That is your password is capital P @ symbol SSW0RD. After entering these two information, username and password, if it is valid and correct, then login will be successful. After successful login, you have to select course as per your timetable or class schedule. BSc SEM 3 or BSc SEM 5. For BCA faculty, there is a BCA SEM 3 only. There are no students in BCA SEM 5. Okay. Next step is go to setting, click on turn editing on. After that, give the name to the topic. There are so many topics available appear. Topic 1, topic 2, topic 3 and so on. Give the name to the topic 1. For example, introduction to Java programming. This is my topic. Your topic may be introduction to syllabus, introduction to question paper, or introduction to organic chemistry or relative subject topic. Then click on add an activity or resource. Click on add an activity or resource. Select, then there are so many options are available. You have to select live classroom and click on add button. After this, conference room is ready. You can join the session by clicking join session button. Here you can use either Blackboard or Whiteboard using share webcam, or you can upload your presentation file or PDF file or any other document file using action tab and upload presentation, or you can share PPT file, PDF file or document file using share your screen. Attendance record will be automatically recorded. No need to save it manually. If you want to save it manually, then you can save it by using save username. After these steps, I am showing live so that you can start online session. First of all, open the browser. Type type URL shivajinagpur.ssesa.live. When you enter, press enter button, then this home page Shivaji Science Nagpur LMS will appear. Now you can click on login button. Login here. When you click on login, then next screen will be appear. That is Shivaji Science Nagpur LMS. Here you have to enter username, and second text box you have to enter password. Your username is your first name plus middle name and last name without space. You can use small letters all. Here I enter my username. If username and password are correct, here something is wrong. If, if any one entry is incorrect, then it shows incorrect message. After successful login, then this type of home page will appear in front of you. Here, left hand side dashboard contains site home, calendar, private files, my courses, test. Test is additional class for your teachers training. Here in your login, you see BSc SEM 5 and BSc SEM 3, two classes. Here my subject is computer science, that's why BSc SEM 5 CS. If your subject is chemistry, then BSc, your course name is BSc SEM 5 chemistry. If your subject is mathematics, then your course name is BSc SEM 5 maths. If your subject is physics, then your course name is BSc SEM 5 physics, and like here for your here if my class is on BSc SEM 5, okay, then I have to click on BSc SEM 5. Then this type of screen will appear. Here I already set for my first topic XYZ. Now for this presentation, I click on topic 2. But before that, we have to click on setting, and click on turn editing on. Then you can set your topic here. Suppose today's topic is introduction to or a demonstration class. LMS demonstration and then enter. Okay, then click add on activity or resource button here. Then this window will appear. In this window there are so many options, but here live classroom is very important for all of us. Click on live classroom and click on add button. After clicking add button, the screen will appear in front of you. Here we have to set general setting. General setting is LMS demonstration. Here is compulsory field LMS is compulsory. Enter, and you have to set again schedule for session. Now schedule, there are two options here, join open and join close. Here you have to click on enable here. Now time is 11:26. If your class is 11:30, at 11:30, then you have to set the time 11:30 and close end time is 12:15. Then you have to set here 12:15. But here in this video, I set here join open 9th September 20 11:20. Now 7. Okay, and join close 9 September 11, for example, or 12 or 12 0. Okay, after that you have to click on save and return to home. Click on save and return to home. Then this schedule will display to the students. Here live demonstration, left hand side live demonstration. Click on this same 5 and LMS live demonstration. Here LMS demonstration, this conference room is ready. You can join the session now. Now time is 11:28 and here we set the joining time is 11:27. So here join session now, join session button is enabled. You can click, you can start the session by using join session button. After clicking join session button, then the next screen will appear in front of you. Then set microphone connecting to EcoState and
You are currently the only person in this conference.
after joining this session, your students will automatically join here one by one, and the name of students will display here, and you can share your webcam. And you can upload your presentation by using this menu, and you can start the session like this. Thank you for watching this video.